This is on my phone, yo. This is just me with the app on my phone. You see how it has the small screen here in the right. To enlarge that, you just click on it. Go back. Let me show you how to get the TV guide because I have to refresh it. Um, you refresh your channels, refresh your TV guide to get your updated TV guides. They just did an update last night, so I probably should have refreshed the channels before I made this video. But I just did that. See how the TV guide shows up here on the lower right? Now, let's say if you put it on a Firestick, it looks similar to this. The difference is, like, say, your cursor will be here on your left hand side, and when you move your cursor on each channel, the TV guide will show on each channel. Let me take you back out. Take back out, and this is your main TV guide. I need to refresh this. Hold on. Refresh this. Let's see, you go in your EPG, it gives you a TV guide similar to, like, say, your direct TV guide, times, channels. And then let's say you want to watch this, you just hit it. You can do it that way. I usually don't use it that way, me personally. I just use the back out. Do the live TV. I highlighted my favorites. Let me show you how to highlight a favorite. Let's say if I want to take, let's say Animal Planet. And just hold on it comes up, click add to favorites. So that way it stops you from having to cycle through series, the TV series. There's over 250 of them. There's over 250 series. Let's go back. Go back. Movies. Like I said, they were updating movies, so let's see what's going on here. Like I said, over 1,000 movies in the database. They're constantly adding. It's a lot. They even got Sean T on here. I used to do the Sean T myself when I don't make it to the gym. Go back. Say new movies. These movies that were recently added. Black Klansman, that was out like this summer. Final Score, Kingsman out this summer. Mission Impossible, the last Mission Impossible, Natalie Ever After, what everybody's talking about now. Skyscraper, Equalizer 2, Meg, The Hate You Give. I think that's still out now. The Predator. I mean, it's a lot, dude. It's a whole lot for $30 a month. You're getting a lot. It's a good quality service, man. I like it. I love it.